students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to simplify this expression and find their values. The value of x is equals to 3, a is equals to b. Sorry, a is equals to 1 minus 1 and b is equals to minus 2. So we are discussing about the part 1. Part 1 is 3 of x minus 5 minus x plus 9. So firstly, we are going to simplify this expression. 3 of x minus of x become equals to 2 of x and minus of 5 plus 9 become equals to 4. So this from here, this expression in simplified form is 2 of x plus 4. Now here we are having only just one variable, which is x, and we are going to plug the value of x as 3. So this from here become equals to 2 multiplied by the 3 plus 4. 2 multiplied by the 3 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is here, and we know that 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So 10 is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now discussing the part 2, which is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. So this expression is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. We are going to simplify this expression. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6 and minus 8x plus 4x is equals to minus 4x. So our expression in simplified form is 6 minus 4x. Here we are having only one variable, which is x, and the value of x is equals to 3. So we are going to plug the value here, that is equals to 6 minus 4 multiplied by the x, that is 4 multiplied by the 3. So this from here is equals to 6 minus 4 multiplied by the 3, that is equals to 12. So when we subtract 12 from 6, we get the value as minus 6. So minus 6 is the answer to the part B of this question. We are going to discuss the part 3, which is 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. So this is 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Firstly, we are going to simplify this expression. So we are going to add the terms which consist a. So 3a minus 8a is equals to minus of 5a, and 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So we are having this value, that is minus 5a plus 6. This is our expression in the simplified form. Now we are going to plug the value of a. The value of a is equals to minus 1. So this from here is equals to minus 5 multiplied by the minus 1 plus 6. Minus 5 multiplied by the minus 1 is plus 5, and plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. So we can say that 11 is the answer to the part 3rd of this question. Now we are going to discuss the part 4, which is 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. So this from here is equals to 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 4 minus 5b. So here we are going to add the terms which are constant and the terms which consist b. So 10 and minus 4 is equals to 6. Minus 3b and minus 5b is equals to minus 5 and 3. Minus 5b and minus 3b is equals to minus 8b. So this is our expression in simplified form. We can also write this as minus 8b plus 6. Now we are having the value of b, that is equals to minus 2. We are going to plug this value here. So this from here is equals to minus 8 multiplied by the minus 2 plus 6. Minus 8 multiplied by the 2 is equals to plus 16, and 16 plus 6. And we know that 16 plus 6 is equals to 22. So 22 is the answer to the part 3rd of this 4th of this question. Another part 4th is minus 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. We are going to simplify this expression, and after that we are going to plug the value here. So this is equals to 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Firstly, we are going to simplify this expression. So here this is 2a and this is plus a. 2a plus a is equals to 3a. This is minus 2b. So minus 2b will remain as it is. Minus 4 and minus 5 is equals to minus 9. Now we are having the value of a, that is equals to minus 1, and b, that is equals to minus 2. We are going to plug the value here. So this is equals to 3 multiplied by the a, that is 3 multiplied by the minus 1, minus of 2 multiplied by the b. B is minus 2. So minus 2, and this is minus 9. So 3 multiplied by the minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 2 multiplied by the minus 2 is plus 4, and this is minus 9. So minus 3 plus 4 is equals to plus 1, and plus 1 minus 9. Plus 1 minus 9 is equals to minus 8. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.